This video shows you how to use the PowerPoint Study Tool. Pick one of the PowerPoint slideshows that you downloaded, open it up. This is the source code view. You want to put it into slideshow mode. No matter how old your version of PowerPoint is, it probably has an icon at the bottom right called slideshow. So click that. You'll see something like this. A question at the top, 4 answers at the bottom. None of them have been colorized. As soon as I click on one of them, it turns blue. Now I know which one I clicked because it's blue. I want to know which one is correct, so I click Check Answer. A check mark appears next to the correct answer. I click again. When I click the second time on Check Answer, it explains why that is the correct answer.